Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got another unbagging from Amazon for canvases under $10. So, yes, I just had to make sure this was the one I thought it was. Okay, so anyway, I just want to get this out of the way at the beginning of the video. So, to all my subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you, old and new. Thank you to everybody who has visited my Etsy shop. All descriptions of everything will be, or links to everything will be in my description box, along with the links to these canvases and the prices and whether or not, as of the time I post the video, whether they are in stock or not. So, let's get into this canvas. Alright. This one's in there pretty good. It's like stuck. Alright. Put that over there out of the way. Now, this is another special drill, and it is a poured glue. So, I'm going to get it a little, flatten it out a little bit by rolling it up. Alright, so here's this one. Now, this one is a 30 by 30, and it is, as you can see, a tiger. And he has got 16 colors, no DMC codes. And again, I think this is what they call the bubble. And you know what, y'all? I don't even know. I'm not 100% sure. But I know it's got the bigger, different size drills and stuff in it. So I think that's why they call it bubblers, but I don't know. Alright, so with this kit, you get the pink pen, the orange wax, the pink wax, and a green boat. So it's just an average toolkit. Now, this was $4.99, and it is a full canvas, but it is a crystal canvas. So should be, all the drills should be these crystal drills. Alright, and let's see. Okay, so these may be the codes for these drills. I don't know. I wish there was somewhere that had the codes for these, because I know Crystal Canvases has a code system, but when you get into the ones like the marquees and the teardrops and the bigger round, I wish there was a code. Like, you know, like a DMC code, except for these. And if anybody knows of a chart out there like that, please let me know. Because I'm wanting to make me a storage system for my leftovers. But I have no idea what to put these under except for green, blue, you know. I don't know. So, but it looks like this is saying a D26. This is saying a Z26. And then just a 26. And they're all green, but they're different sizes. And then you get over here, and that's a 47. Y'all see what I'm talking about right here? The 26. So I'm just wondering if that's some kind of code. But anyway. Alright, it does have the canvas number on the bags and on the canvas. So, okay, let's go through these. Alright, you've got a big round green, and then you've got a medium green, and then you have a bag of small green. And then you have blue, you have a gold, and another gold, You have like a a pink, and then you have like a light pink, and then we have a big old full bag of these aqua looking ones, which I'm sure is the background, and then another aqua, and then we have, what color is that? Maybe a brownish, like an amber color, and then a reddish, another gold, and then we have clear, and then black. So, but maybe that might have, but no. Alright, so there's the crystals that goes to this one. And like I said, there's 16. Alright, very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. So we're going to bring it down. Now the canvas on this is like kind of rough, kind of plasticky feeling. And it was bent when I pulled it out a while ago. But it's fine. Once you set it under a bunch of books or something, it'll flatten out. It'll be fine. So that I am not worried about. But the drill field, if y'all can see it, if my phone's lighting and if it will focus, the drill field looks pretty good. I'm not seeing anything out of the norm. It looks like it is 1 through 8, and then your ABCs. So that's good. Easy peasy. So yeah, what do y'all think about this one? This one and the dog one that I showed earlier are pretty much the same type of canvas. So I think they would actually look pretty good together once they were completed. And, you know, maybe put them in frames and then hang them together somewhere. Or most likely what I'm going to do with it is once I finish it, they'll just go into my portfolio. So, but yeah, very cute. Very, very cute. So, what do y'all think about this one? Whoops, hold on. Okay, I had to pause. I was getting a phone call. So anyway, I was done with this video anyhow. So anyway, if y'all like this one, just go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And a thumbs up would be great. And until my next video, y'all, I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.